Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time clicking onto my video, welcome. I hope you join the family, you subscribe and you stay. So guys, today we're gonna make a barbecue pizza. So first we're just gonna add our half cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and half teaspoon of salt, and we're just gonna mix that up until the sugar is dissolved, like what you see me doing here. Then after that, you're just gonna add your oil. So I used olive oil, but you can really use any oil that you have, and you just mix that as well. Then after that, you're gonna add your dry ingredients, which is basically just flour. So I added about 1 and 3/4 cup flour and 1 teaspoon of parsley. So I added parsley just to give it color, but you can decide not to add parsley, it'll still also be fine. And then I use the stand mixer for this because I really don't know how to knead, and I don't like it. So yeah, that's what you see me doing here. I transferred my bowl onto the stand mixer, and then I just let it do the things. You should just let it knead the dough. The dough should start looking like this, and then yeah, the time you know that okay, we're getting somewhere, the dough will be done. And then you just remove the dough from the stand mixer. Your dough is supposed to look something like this. That's when you know that it's done. So even if you're using your hands, it should look something like this. And then after that, you're just gonna take a bowl, and then you're just gonna add some oil into the bowl, and then you just make sure that the oil has spread all around the bowl, and then you add your dough and you let it rise in a warm space. You can put it in the microwave with some warm water, or you can put it in the sun, whichever works for you. So whilst our dough is doing that, we add on to making our beef. So since this is a barbecue beef pizza, or barbecue pizza, I don't know, yeah, something like that, I made beef. So I just diced my beef, and then I added them into the pan, and then I just cook up until they're no longer red. And then after that, I added the 7 colors grill seasoning, spice, and also some black pepper, and I also added a bit of some cayenne pepper for that that spicy feel. So yeah, you don't have to add the 7 colors grill. If you don't have, you can just use any barbecue spice or any beef spice, it still works. Then after that, I added some barbecue sauce, and then I just let my meat sit on the side whilst I go back to my dough, right? So after 45 minutes, our dough should look something like this. Then you just add flour to the surface, and then you put your dough there, and then you just roll it with a rolling pin. Yeah, you can also use your hands, whichever way that works, when you're holding it and you're just turning it around in a circle. Yeah, but I don't know how to do that, and I just think that this is easier for me. And then I transferred the dough to a pizza pan. I got this pizza pan from Westpac, so you can go check. I think it was about 69 rand or so, if I'm not mistaken. And then after that, you take a fork and then you poke holes the same way that I'm doing to the pizza. I think it helps it to cook or whatever, I don't know, but you just do it, guys. I see people doing it and I think it works. And then you add your pizza sauce. So I used some store-bought sauce. It's basil and something. I'm really not sure. I'll look for it and maybe I'll link it below if I find it, if I do remember. Then after that, I just added some cheddar cheese. You can add any type of cheese. I had cheddar, and I also had mozzarella, but first, because the mozzarella cheese was not a lot, so I decided to add the cheddar first, and then after that I added the beef, and on top of the beef I also added some green peppers, which I also had in the fridge. I'm all for like using the things that you have in the fridge, like you don't want the ingredients to go bad, you don't want the things that you already have to go bad. So after that, you also add your your cheese on top, and you bake it in the oven. After your pizza, after 15 to 20 minutes, your pizza should look like this. Guys, can you see how that turned out? It turned out so good. The pizza was delicious. I enjoyed myself. I hope you guys try it out. That's it for today's video, guys. If you watched the video up until the end, please leave some hearts in the comment section below so that I'll know. And yeah, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.